Hi, my name is Tori Seymour, and I'm going to be doing my project proposal over Narcan awareness and education. So, in summary, what my project proposal is over in 4 is to inform the general public better on what Narcan is, what it is for, and what it can help. It can help those who are in recovery as well as those who are actively suffering from addiction. This can also be a form of help for those who are second-handedly affected by the addiction, such as family members. Family members having this ready and available is something that's instrumental as well. Another goal, in summary, is that this is a goal towards destigmatizing addiction as well. What Narcan is Narcan is a medication that is used for emergency treatment of known or otherwise suspected overdose on opioids. The problem that we're facing, in short, is going to be addiction. Addiction is a disease that has been incredulously prevalent for many years, and it's something that will probably be prevalent for many years to come. It is a high-velocity problem due to the fact that there are so many different substances that are out there and that are readily able and to be used. Project management. We will devise a team of prevalent community members to get involved, such as parent-teacher organizations, local hospitals, hospital boards, and local law enforcement, such as EMS and police officers. Doing this and having members of the community that are active on the fight against addiction and are prevalent members in the community as well will help to serve in making the program the most effective and efficient that it can be. Though there are a multitude of programs that are out there to help face the battle that's ongoing with addiction, there can never be too many. If something can be done different and effective and reach an audience in a different way than it's been done before, then it should certainly be attempted. Addiction is something that's, like I said before previously, going to be coming for years to come. And addiction is something that's also not very well known yet, and there is still a lot of research going on with it. So the more resources and forms and active, available, ready sources for educating and helping to implement prevention, the better, because it is something that's still so new. So having more sources could never, ever hurt. Thank you. And there are my resources.